So there's like a whole system behind this. You gotta find the right song that you're in the mood for. Set the coffee mug up, right? And this is the behind the scenes right now of my Instagram story, and I actually made a stupid page for it too called Connoisseurs Club, so you should go follow that. Yeah, so what you're gonna do is find a good spot in the song. What I do is I hold the spoon in my mouth so it's ready. Crack this puppy open right here, and we're gonna start the song. You want to drop the creamer like on time when the beat drops. So just make sure you listen to the song a little bit. So we're gonna drop it there. So we're gonna bring it back a couple seconds. Head to my IG. And this is how we do it. So good. So New York filter. Come up here. Take the time of the day. You can aesthetically size it so it looks, a little artsy. And that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's go over what we're gonna try to get done today. I think we're gonna go to Yates' house, check out his new build, and we're gonna try to just catch up on everything because it's been way too long since I've done an episode. So this is good. This is good stuff. But other than that, I think we're gonna try to get some more drifting in. Obviously in Mexico. We're gonna get a couple guys together later. Probably gonna be me, Kenny with the LSE36, and Evan with his BRZ or FRS. I forgot. I keep forgetting. BRZ, I think. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully the weather clears up and it doesn't rain, because the Weather Channel just keeps screwing up and it keeps changing. It's like 60% and now it's like down to 35%, so we'll see. But yeah, so this is just I don't know, we're gonna try to just catch up on everything again. Yeah. Okay, so let's just catch up real quick. I'll keep it simple. So basically, I'm gonna start bringing back these episodes. Not so much talking for like the future ones. I'm gonna keep it short and simple. Just like packed with a bunch of fun shit. And like, I know like a lot of people are doing vlogs, and there's just like, I don't know, to me it's just a lot of talking. Like, vlogs are cool and all, but I don't know, I just don't think that's for me. I think it's more fun to just make short car like dedicated videos and like just random mini movies and all that stuff. So I think that's what I'm gonna be doing for these episodes now. Not too much talking, more car stuff. Obviously this one, like, I'm talking right now and trying to just catch up with you guys, or whoever, all 60 people that view the video, and that's it. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna look forward to more hood rat shit. Got a bunch of cars, all the cars that were hibernating, they're starting to come out now. So yeah, let's get rowdy this summer and until winter and whatever. I don't know. What is this dude doing in front of the fucking road, man? Anyways, so hopefully let's go drifting tonight. I'm gonna hope that the weather stays like this. Bring a couple cars out, have some fun, and that's it. We'll call it a night. Wow. Wow. Look at Mikey. Look at this dude, Mikey. So hold on. Let me fucking. Wow.
Did I wish you a happy birthday? Oh, okay.
What we got going on here today?
Right here we have a, yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what it's called.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Hit it, Mikey. Wow. Alright. Okay. Oh, I was gonna say. Whoa, mama. Whoa, mama. Wow. Wow. Old versus new. Wow. Cage. Brace. Wheels. Okay. Alright. Is that light bar going on here? Is that for your Jeep?
No, that's Brandon's.
Oh.
Wow.
Nice grill.
So we're gonna paint the whole car that color?
Nah, he's gonna paint the whole car hot pink.
So, yeah, leave it there.
That's a good idea, Mike.
Yeah, you wipe that. Try to make sure your sticker's on straight. Look at that form. Stroke it a couple times. What the fuck? A little moist over there.
You're extra little fuck. Lost your profanity.
John's barbecue foot massage.
Jones barbecue foot massage.
Can I see this again?
Here. So if you want to see me blow this thing up, you can follow my Instagram right here.
I was gonna put a picture of like something retarded. But like when I touch it, I'm gonna be like, beep, 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 beep. Like really retarded noises.
Box up. Pick the box up.
What the fuck?
Yeah, we're gonna put a big old hood stack off the wastegate.
Yes. Mike's getting attacked. Oh, holy shit!
Yo, hold it flat. Boy.
Let's see some frogs that you got today. Oh my! All right, go. Oh! Holy shit!
Get him!
What came out?
John, get him!
Where is it? Where the fuck?
He got crushed.
Yo, what the fuck are you guys talking about? He's right here, bro.
Where?
Move, John. Move!
Oh, it's getting crushed.
Oh, it's fucked.
Yeah. That frog is cooked. That shit just turned into fucking minced meat right there. Oh, what the fuck? There she is.
Michael, kiss it.
Can you
No,
please?
you kiss him after you let him fucking almost die.
Microfiber on deck.
Just randomly going to Camel Top. Randomly gonna show up at Camel Top. Nice shirt. I'm taking a video. You can stop posing.
Stop posing.
Yeah. Hello. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Ooh, get in there. Just
Can't wait for this episode.
huh?
Episode 1, 2K18.
No, just apparently making episodes again.
Apparently, just out of the blue.
Yeah, just randomly.
We just randomly all showed up at the same.
Yeah,
Yeah. The bag is fire.
So yeah, we made it up to Camel Top. Beautiful weather out. Oh, definitely gonna get a picture of that. Post it on the page later. Yeah, I don't know. Pretty chill day. We're still trying to, well, I'm still trying to break in the clutch on that thing. And let's see if we can get some slides in later. If not, definitely gonna do it next week. Still gotta, after breaking in the clutch and shit. Wow. Alright, got Kenny LS E36. First time sliding. Feeling the car out. Let's see how he does. Hammer down. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, get it.
Oh my god, that thing's fucking mean.
That was fire.
Banging that shit right up.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright,
Can't even see you, but.
Still braking the clutch.
What are you doing?
Still gotta brake in the clutch. Second gear, we're just gonna feel out second gear.
Bet.
Yeah, I want to strap in. That thing's fucking noisy. Oh, you got close. God damn, bro. Like I said, either too much or not enough. I clutch kicked it, it didn't